In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily move or copy files and folders in SharePoint, focusing particularly on SharePoint Online. This straightforward guide aims to help you efficiently manage your documents using the modern SharePoint experience through a web browser. Remember, if you're using the classic view, you might notice some differences in the options available to you. But don't worry, today we'll concentrate on the modern view. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the document library, where your files or folders are currently stored. This is a crucial step because the document library acts as your central hub for managing and organizing all your SharePoint files. Once you're in the right library, look for the file or folder you wish to move or copy. To select it, simply tick the checkbox next to the item. This will ensure that SharePoint knows exactly which files or folders you're intending to work with and helps prevent any accidental changes to other items. Next, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of the library. Here, you'll find the options Move To and Copy To. Depending on whether you want to relocate the item entirely or simply create a duplicate, you'll select one of these options. Choosing Move To will allow you to transport your item to a new location, while Copy To will create a duplicate of your item in your desired destination, keeping the original in its current location. Now, a side panel will appear, giving you a range of choices for the destination of your file or folder. You have several options here. You can move or copy it to another folder within the same library, a different library within the same SharePoint site, or even another SharePoint site or OneDrive if your permissions allow. This flexibility is one of the powerful features of SharePoint, allowing for seamless organization across your workspaces. If you want to move or copy your item into a folder that doesn't yet exist, don't worry. The panel provides a handy New Folder option. Simply click on it, give your new folder a name, select it, and you'll be ready to proceed. Once you've chosen the perfect destination, to finalize your action, click on Move Here or Copy Here, depending on what you're doing. And that's it. Your files will be swiftly moved or copied to the specified location, making file management in SharePoint a breeze. Remember, these steps are designed to ensure that your documents are not only properly organized, but also easily accessible for future use.